Hello everyone, this is Daryl for iGadgeting. This is the second part to the unboxing of this device. If you haven't seen the previous video, the link is in the description below. In this video I will set up the Broadlink RM Pro and connect it to my iPhone. So let's start off by plugging in the USB cable into the plug. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's a bit of a challenge. The other end of the USB cable goes into the micro USB port on the device. So it's not that easy to plug it in since I'm holding my iPhone in my other hand, so I have to make a bit of an effort. But now I managed to connect it. So those are all the parts connected together. The main reason why I bought this is because I recently bought an iLumos light switch for my bedroom lights, which works with this remote. Since it is very small, it can be easily lost, so the Broadlink should come in handy in case I couldn't find the remote. However, the Broadlink also works with my other devices in my room, which use infrared or radio frequency. Therefore, it will help to avoid searching for my many other remote controls and control them simply with my iPhone instead. So now we'll try and set it up. First of all, it's important to find a central place in your room so that it can reach all the devices that you want to control with it, especially those which work with infrared, because radio frequency devices can work also from other rooms. So let's plug in the plug in the wall socket and switch it on. After a few seconds, as you can notice, the blue LED starts blinking, which indicates that the Broadlink can now connect to the network and it can be found from its application. So now it's time to connect the device with the application. So let's open the app, tap on the plus at the top of the page and add the device. Make sure that your Wi-Fi name is entered correctly and type in your password if you haven't already done so, and then tap configure. Let's wait for the application to locate the device on our network. And that's done. It's showing us the new device list. So now I will show you how to program a remote with the device. As you can see, I have already done so and tried a few remotes, but I will show you how to set them up from scratch. First of all, press this plus button at the top right hand corner and select Add Remote. Next, you will have to choose one of the devices you want to add. I will choose the TV, and it showed us the remote which we will have to use to program. I will first program the on and off button, so all you have to do is tap on it, and now it's time to program it using the television's remote. Just press the corresponding button, and as you can see, as I press the button, the orange LED has been turned off, so that shows us that the button has been learned. You can continue setting up all of the other buttons, which can be done in the same way. So now it's time to test the button to see if the application has learned it correctly. Let's use the application by tapping on the on button of the television, and as you can see, the television is turning on. There it is. I just pressed it again to see if it will turn off, and it just did. So that is how to set up a remote. Now, to program a radio frequency remote, all you have to do is get that remote, and you can do the same procedure. Now, let's tap the plus button again and the remote. I would like to add a light remote, so I press the one at the bottom and I will select one of the green buttons. The Broadlink is now waiting for us to input the corresponding frequency from our remote. I will press the button, the light has been turned off and the Broadlink has learned the frequency. Now we'll test by using the application and see if the light will turn on again. And as you can see, it just did. Thank you for watching this video. That was a quick tutorial how to set up the remotes using the app on your phone. I hope you found this information useful. If you would like, leave any comments down below, like our video and subscribe to our channel by clicking somewhere here. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video.